Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another monthly niche research and we're focusing on March. So in the last video, I did a Easter t-shirt. We have 2 more niches to explore to either do a journal cover or an interior. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be notified, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I drop a new video. All right, so we're going to go over to the wheel of names. I am going to click, spin, and see what lucky niche we are going to explore today. St. Patty's Day. All right, so we're going to do St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to do a journal cover. I think that is befitting for St. Patrick's Day. So let's see what I can find. Or I can come up with, and I'm going to do my 12.55 by 925, which is a cover size for a 6x9 journal with 120 pages. I think I want to do a black cover with some, possibly a shamrock letter C. So let me just find letter C, make it big. I don't know, that might not be the best font to use. I'll try to find a different font that can give me a better C. Oh, that one might be cute. I'm gonna go to Elements and grab my line so I can bust it in the middle. Change the color so I can see it. 90 degrees, and then I'm going to wait till that line shows up, and then I'm going to adjust my C. Okay, got that. Bring it down some, and then I'm going to go over here to my elements, and I'm going to look for shamrocks. Okay, so let's do a 4-leaf clover. So I am going to possibly, I'm going to probably point it in this way. So just going to basically cover this until it's in the shape of a C. And then I'll like turn and move the 4-leaf clovers as I go. But I'm just copying and moving it till I get the shape C. Okay, copying and moving. That's what I'm doing. Going all the way around. And possibly one more. Let's see. Now I'm going to grab the C and I'm going to delete it in the background. And then I'm just going to fix this up however I see fit. If I need to move something. So it looks like a C. There we go. I'm going to group this. I'm going to tilt it just a little bit. Might want to move one of these out just a little bit. All right, so we have a C, initial C, shamrock on the cover. And super simple, super quick. And let's see if we can find any journals like that. Initial C, St. Patrick's Day journal. Okay, so we have some that have like the letter C. So it's pretty trendy, but it looks different than the ones that are already up there. Let's see if there's any over here on Etsy. No, but let's also look for just initial C St. Patrick's Day products. Shenanigans. So I don't really see any on Etsy. So if you have like a store on Etsy where you create trending stuff and evergreen holiday things, this could be something that you could explore for March. So we have one more to explore, which will be Mother's Day, and I'll be doing a journal interior on the next monthly niche research video. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.